Right, I've got my S&M Bikes L.A.M.F custom build here. I've had this over a year now. I did put a video up when I got the frame. I'm sure that's from a year or so ago. So it's built up for a long time, but I haven't actually done a video. So let's do a little bit of a bike check. So we're going to start off with the frame. So you've got the L.A.M.F decal there. And it's a pretty cool frame. You've got the wishbone there on the top tube. What's nice, you've got the old chainstay brace there with the old shield on it. Oh, I've also got code blue, which is trans colour, so you can see the welds underneath. But it looks really, really nice, especially with the pink decals. And also you've got the head tube, engraved head tube, with a really old school S&M logo on there with JB, and you've got L.A.M.F engraved on the bottom there. I do like engraved head tubes, that make it that little bit more special. And going on to the forks, we have S&M wide mouth pitch forks. So I've had them for quite a while. They used to be on my ATF, which I did move on to this one. Up front we've got the S&M Challenger stem, which I've got on the REA, which I've already done a video on. Also, I do love 4-piece bars. I bought these ages ago, again for the ATF, and these are the S&M Foo bars. I think they're a 9-inch rise. I've got the blue Hoda grips, which I mentioned before. These are so comfortable. And also Odyssey brakes, Evo 2.5, which I've got on all my bikes. They work well, so never used anything different. Drivetrain, I have the Fit. These are the indent cranks. These are the older ones compared to the blunt cranks on the REA. So these are 175mm. Also, same that's on the REA is the X-Man sprocket, 28 tooth. Got the it's a little bit dusty because I haven't used it for a little while. Evo 2.5 brakes. We've got the S&M Long Johnson seat post. That's as low as it can go, but if I do need to whack it up, I've got plenty of length there. BSD seat. Again, love my funky seats. Also, we are running Odyssey headset. Bottom bracket I think is fit because that comes with a crank. BSD half-length chain, which I've got on nearly all my bikes apart from the Steel Panther. I think I've got a Shadow race chain on that. And we're also running the Odyssey 7 KA ready to run wheels. I've had no issues with these, hence going with the hazard lights on the REA. But yeah, very nice wheels, never had a problem. And I am running the S&M mainline tyres on this as well. 2.4 on the front, 2.1 on the back, I think, which looks pretty cool too. And also got the Hoda pedals. As mentioned before, my feet tend to slip off of these. I don't know why. So the REA one, I went back to the BSD Safari pedals. But no, they're still good. Nothing wrong with them. Oh, also, I have the ROM Skate Park 40th Jam there, 2018, which was an epic day. So there you have it. I think that covers everything. It's a stunning bike, and to be honest with you, it's probably my favourite one. So, hope you like it. Give us a like, subscribe, and all that. And have another bike check coming soon, because I've still got a Steel Panther. And I will actually get out riding at some point, but I've got a little toddler, who I look after most of the time, so getting out is a little bit difficult at the moment, but I will get out at some point, even if it's just a normal ride, and get some videos of these actually running. Anyway, hope you like it, like, subscribe, and see you soon.